If the image requires even more drastic measures, try using the free transform tool by selecting the whole image or a part of the image and pressing Ctrl-T. There is a whole bunch of things you can do from here. The most important feature is rotation. Just move your mouse pointer to one of the corners and you'll be able to click and drag to rotate the image. Don't forget that the canvas will be filled with the background swatch color when you rotate the whole image. You can also scale your image if you click directly on any of the corner points and drag. If you want to keep the original proportions, hold Shift. The free transform is not limited to just scaling and rotating. If you press right mouse button, there are more options like skew, distort, there's also perspective and warp. Warp is the most useful mode in terms of catalog retouching. Access it from the menu or just click here in the tab on the warp button. Now you can transform the image by clicking and dragging around. Just try not to overdo it.